Hitem3D just launched a 3D relief feature that bypasses the manual sculpting process entirely. You can now convert 2D images into high-fidelity depth maps without any modeling experience. Let's analyze the output quality and see if these files are actually ready for 3D printer. Let me show you how to do it. On the left side, select the 3D relief option. Next, upload an image. You can use your own images, find one on the web, or let the AI generate one for you. The image upload may take a moment. One generation costs 10 credits. Once the upload is completed, just click Generate. That's it. Now let Hitem3D do the hard work. I will fast forward through the waiting process. The process is complete. It took about 1 minute, which is quite fast. 3D relief is generated, but it's not all what you can do with it. You have different ways you can edit the model. You can choose the base type, solid or no base. If you choose a solid base, you can also adjust its thickness. You can set it anywhere from 0.1 mm to 20 mm. If you remove the base, some small parts might still remain. You can increase the removal threshold to get rid of them. Next is the shape. If you keep the base, you can choose between a circular or square shape. Next is scaling. You can scale the model proportionally or just the width and height separately. You can also switch the sculpting mode between convex and concave. You can adjust the depth as well. Adjusting range is from 0.1 up to 50 mm. Adding concave mode can be useful when making molds. You can enable the textures as well. It looks clean and closely matches the original image. You can also bend the model. Choose either a positive or negative bend and adjust the axis and angle. When you are done editing the model, you can download the STL file. When you import the generated models into Slicer, they are already in the correct orientation for the best printing results. These relief models are fully watertight, which means they are ready for 3D printing without any fixing or editing. I also did several more 3D reliefs and 3D printed them. All these 3D printed reliefs are made by using Hitem3D 3D relief feature. You can use it to make coins. At that small size, an FDM printer isn't the best option. You will get much more detailed results with a resin printer, or you can CNC mill the coins from brass. I also printed a larger version, which now shows much greater detail. These reliefs were super easy to make with this tool. Generation times were between 1 and 2 minutes, which is faster than I expected. That's a good thing. I like the option to switch between base and no base, because some models look better without it, while others look better with it. I didn't have any problem slicing these models and they printed without any issue. I 3D printed these reliefs, but you can also use a CNC mill to engrave them from materials like wood or metal. This one was printed with 0.12mm layer height, and it looks very nice. For the best results, use a small layer height. It takes longer time to print, but it's worth the wait. If you want to try it out yourself, I added link to the description. This isn't all you can create with Hitem3D. If you want to see more, you can watch this video as well. Thanks for watching.